I love email. I hate email. Email hasn't changed much in 20, even 30 years. That's why Notion built Notion Mail, a smarter, more personal inbox that adapts to your workflow. The key organizing feature for Notion Mail is auto-labeling. Like an assistant, it sorts emails by projects, people, or priority automatically. Just pick a suggested label or create your own. Done. From now on, your emails flow into custom views, not a cluttered list. Now you can view emails by status, not just date. Rewriting the same email, snippets save you time. Just insert a snippet. Your pre-written email is ready in seconds. Even better, snippets connect with Notion Calendar. It finds your available time slots and adds a one-click booking link right inside the email. The experience feels fast, beautiful, flexible. Use callouts, code blocks, quotes all inside your email. Notion Mail built from the ground up to work your way.